Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we are going to make this a smiley coin purse with this daisy flower. So for this project we need yarn of 3 colors. These are acrylic 4-ply yarns, a pair of scissors, needle and thread and a zipper. I am going to use a hook of 2.5 mm for this project. So we have to begin with yarn of color A. This is slip knot. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. We have to go back to the first chain, insert the hook in, pull through both the loops. This is slip stitch. Chain 1, 2, 3, which counts as a double crochet. Insert the hook into the ring, pull through 2, pull through 2, double crochet 2, 3, 4. We have to do 12 double crochet into the ring. Follow the same pattern and complete the round. We will meet again when this round would be complete. When this round is complete, we have to join the stitches into the third chain of the fourth stitch with slip stitch. Chain 3 on the top of the fourth stitch. On the top of the same stitch, double crochet 2. On the top of the next stitch, double crochet 1. Into the same stitch, double crochet 2. On the top of the next stitch, double crochet 1, into the same stitch, double crochet 2. So we are increasing a stitch on the top of each stitch. So at the end of the round there should be 24 double crochet. Follow the same pattern and complete the round. We will meet again when this round would be completed. After the end of the round, we join the stitches on the top of the fourth stitch with slip stitch. On the top of the fourth stitch, chain 3, which counts as a double crochet. On the top of the next stitch, double crochet 1, into the same stitch, double crochet 2. So we have increased a stitch here. On the top of the next stitch, double crochet 1. On the top of the next stitch, double crochet 1, into the same stitch, double crochet 2. So after every one stitch we have to increase a stitch. Follow the same pattern and complete the round. We will meet again when this round would be completed. After the end of the round, we join the stitches on the top of the fourth stitch with slip stitch. On the top of the fourth stitch, chain 3. On the top of the next stitch, double crochet 1. On the top of the next stitch, double crochet 1. Into the same stitch, double crochet 2. On the top of the next stitch, double crochet 1. 1 double crochet on the top of the next stitch. On the top of the next stitch, double crochet 1. Into the same stitch, double crochet 2. Follow the same pattern and complete the round. We will meet again when this round would be completed. After the end of the round, we join the stitches on the top of the fourth stitch with slip stitch. On the top of the fourth stitch, chain 3. On the top of the next stitch, double crochet 2, 3 on the top of the next stitch. On the top of the next stitch, double crochet 1, into the same stitch, double crochet 2. Now we have to do 3 double crochet on the top of next 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3. On the top of the next stitch, double crochet 4, into the same stitch, double crochet 5. Follow the same pattern and complete the round. We will meet again when this round would be completed. After the end of the round, we have to join the stitches on the top of the fourth stitch with slip stitch. Now we have to cut the yarn from here because this front part of the coin purse is complete. We have to make similar circle for the back part of the coin purse following the same pattern. So complete one more circle and we will meet again when these 2 circles would be completed. When these 2 circles are complete, we are going to begin to make eyes and mouth of the smiley. So for this, we have to insert the needle here after the end of first round and now on the top of the third round. And just in and out. Once and twice. This eye is complete. Now insert the needle into the stitches so that the thread is not going to appear And now here for the second eye of the smiley, insert the needle and just do in and out of the circle to make the second eye. When these two eyes are complete, we have to insert the needle, and now we have to come here now we are going to make a smile on the face of this smiley. Just do in and out of these stitches and complete a semicircle for the smile of this face, and we will meet again when this semicircle would be completed. When this semicircle is complete, we are going to complete the smile by this stitch, and now the smile on the face is complete. Complete the face for the back part following the same pattern, and we will meet again when these two faces would be completed. When these two parts, the front part and the back part, are ready, we are going to add zipper on the mouth of this coin purse, and for that we are going to add zipper. So at first just close both the ends of the zipper. Complete sewing both the ends, and we will meet again when these both ends would be joined. When these two sides of the zipper are closed, we are going to join them on the mouth of this coin purse. So we just have to do simple stitches in and out, in, out, in, out. Complete joining the zipper to both the sides of the coin purse, and we will meet again when this zipper would be joined. When zipper is added to the mouth of this coin purse, we are going to join the remaining part of the coin purse. So insert the needle into both the stitches of both the parts, pull through two. Again into the next stitch of both the stitches of both the parts, pull through two. Into the next stitch of both the stitches of both the parts, pull through two. Into the next stitch of both the stitches of both the parts, pull through. So join the remaining part of the coin purse in the same way, and we will meet again when the coin purse would be ready. When this coin purse is ready, we have to begin making daisy for the hanging of this coin purse. So for this we have to begin with slip knot. Now we have to do chain 1, 2, 3. Join these chains into the third chain with slip stitch. Chain 2, which counts as a half double crochet. Insert the hook in, pull through all the 3. Half double crochet 2, 3, 4. We have to do 12 half double crochet. So follow the same pattern and complete the round. We will meet again when this round would be completed. When the round is complete, We joined the stitches on the top of the fourth stitch with slip stitch. Now we have to cut the yarn from here because we are going to begin with yarn of color C. So we have to begin with slip knot. Now we have to join the yarn on the top of the fourth stitch with slip stitch. Chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yarn over. Skip the fourth chain. Into the next stitch, insert the hook and pull through all the 3. A half double crochet. Yarn over into the next stitch, a double crochet. Into the next stitch, a double crochet. Into the next stitch, a half double crochet. Join these stitches on the top of the next stitch with slip stitch. Again we have to do chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip the fourth chain. Into the next stitch, a half double crochet. Into the next stitch, double crochet 1. Into the next stitch, double crochet 2. Into the next stitch, a half double crochet. Join these stitches on the top of the next stitch with slip stitch. Follow the same pattern and complete 12 petals including these 2 petals, and we will meet again when this flower would be ready. When all these 12 petals are complete, we have to do chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Join these chains into this loop with slip stitch. Chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have to join these stitches on the top of the same stitch with slip stitch. Now we have to cut the yarn from here because this coin purse is now complete. This coin purse is going to look like this when it will be completed. You can gift sweets, candies, stationery to the children, or you can carry your cash and coins inside it while traveling too. Thank you so much.